Oh, hey. Come on in. Hi, it's here. So I'm super excited because I'm packing for South Africa. I'm going to Johannesburg for 12 days. And it's going to be super exciting because one, I'm bringing in the new year in the motherland, and it's the Afropunk Music Festival. First things first, my prepared level is to have all black everything. So I'm prepared at a moment's notice to dress it up, dress it down. Just, you never fail with all black. So, but for that, I usually pack a pair of black pants, a regular black t-shirt, can't go wrong. And then of course, lastly, a regular black button down, because now I have an entire black selection should I need to switch it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna pack a couple swimsuits just in case, because you never know. I mean, these are all, you know, every lady knows Target specials. Especially when they go on sale like off season, like now, you get every color. And then I can put socks in here. I like to travel with my favorite things so I don't have to worry, is it gonna fit right, if it's gonna, you know, look weird, am I gonna be hot in it? I know these items, right? So one of them is my Adidas Pharrell collab, Your Wake jersey is totally going to Afropunk. My trusty Chucks that have been on every continent I've ever been. And who goes to Afropunk without a vintage army jacket? New Year's. I have no idea what we're doing. We're gonna be in a foreign country, but I'm gonna be with two of my most favorite people, closest friends. Look at this jacket. It's just, I just want people to be like, what is it, velvet? All night. Bringing in 2019. But like I said, if it's too hot, I also have these are my favorite Alice and Olivia pants, which will just be so South Africa. Deodorant that I can like throw in my purse, Advil because Advil, and then Q-tips, cotton balls, swabs for all the whole nine. They're just so handy. And then, you know, all this curly hair, I have to make sure I have my mainstays, like my satin cap, my oil for my scalp, and my detangling brush, because let's be clear, this is a lot of work anywhere in the world. The Cure skincare products, these are game changing. Cure Skin, thank you for the miracles that you're working. I'm taking you with me. Fix is a game changer, the matte version. And then of course, Fenty Beauty. This is also part of the vibes. My travel waterproof, what is it? Oh, it's 24K by Monster. If you have a playlist, you have a party. Like, be clear. So it says, what you think you become, what you feel you attract, and what you imagine you create. So while I'm setting intentions for New Year's in the motherland, I'm totally gonna have this with me. And then in addition, since I'm taking a couple of blazers, I'll take a couple of brooches, like the snake one I found vintage shopping. It's one of my favorites. I'm an ADHD kid, so I like to keep a coloring book, as well as I'll probably take my Apple iPad. And then I'll be starting a new gratitude journal for the new year, so I can start this with me and document my travels in this new journal. And of course, my passport. It can slide in here. And then I'll put some pens. Then also for Africa too, I went to get my shots on Monday, so I'm still a little bit sore from my tetanus shot, but they also gave me some extra bug repellent, which I'm sure I'll need. Plus, I'll need to take my B complex because I'm told that that helps with the mosquitoes. All right, did that. Looks like I'm ready. Let's go to Johannesburg. Oh my God. Well, thanks so much for helping me pack. I've got to get this Uber to LAX, so I'll see you on the other side of 2019. Bye.